Unlocking the meaning of freeze out, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, freeze out. Understanding such phrases is crucial in mastering conversational English. So, let's dive into what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it better. Freeze out is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To freeze someone out means to deliberately exclude or shut someone out from a group or an activity. It can happen in social situations, in the workplace, or in various other group settings. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. 1. In a social context, ever since the argument, Lisa has been freezing Emma out of the group. She wasn't invited to the last 3 gatherings. 2. In the workplace, after the merger, the new management started freezing out the original team members from important meetings. 3. In politics or organizations, the smaller countries felt frozen out of the decision-making process at the international conference. These examples show how freeze out can be used in different contexts to describe social exclusion or ostracism. The term freeze out may have originated from the idea of leaving someone out in the cold, both literally and figuratively. In the past, being left out in the cold could be a severe punishment or a way of showing disapproval. This imagery is powerful in conveying the sense of exclusion and disregard for the person being frozen out. Understanding synonyms can help you better grasp the meaning of freeze out. Some common synonyms include ostracize, exclude, shun, snub, sideline. Each of these words carries a similar sense of excluding someone from a group or activity. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, freeze out, and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a key step in becoming fluent in English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.